my channel. So today I'm going to be shopping from Bandra, from Hill and Linking Road. This is going to be a vlog plus a haul together. So let's go. Welcome back. So we are done with our shopping. We could not record the vlog on the same day, and Saloni and me, we went together for shopping. We forgot to record the outro together and realized it after we were halfway through our shopping. So let's get ahead with this today. So the first thing that we're going to be showing is the jewelry that we got. So we got this necklace and these earrings. I mean, they are hoops, but they have a different pattern, and I like these a lot. Another pair of hoops. These are too many hoops. We have too many hoops. And then this cute necklace. Okay, I don't think that's missing. It has a star. Then this necklace again.
Riya has made me obsessed with these long necklaces, by the way.
This earring. She was obsessed with this. I was not letting her buy it, but then
We got it for like 30. He was
Yeah.
telling us 470 for the rest of the jewelry, and then we just took it and said 500.
so we got all of the things that I've just showed you for 500. All these jewelries for 500. We got a very nice deal.
Yeah.
The thing is, these are pretty decent ones, and
When we asked him, he said 100 per piece.
and 150 for something. There was something that was for 150. But then we somehow convinced him, and we thought he won't let that happen, but he did.
Yeah.
Then I also got this belt. I have a habit of wearing oversized clothes and styling them in different ways, especially dresses. So I usually use belts like these to do that. I got this one for 150.
150.
Yeah, he was fixed on giving us the belt in 250, but then we bargained and got it for 150. So I liked it, and it's a little bit of rose gold, but it looks gold. Yes. So now we move on to our clothes. Well, to tell you one thing, I went with a shopaholic. Okay, this girl has no self-control. Literally no self-control. I was there in every shop saying no, 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 and even after that, we ended up buying all of this. So okay, let's start with our tops. And so we got one top that was same for both of us. We just got it in different colors. This is mine and that's hers. We got the same one, so we can match. And
Twinning.
and I got a denim jacket. Finally, I've been wanting one for so long, but I could not
Yes.
find the right one. I wanted a light shaded one, and I did not want one that was basic. I got this. Oh, the tops that are matching, they were for 150 each. We got those for 150 each. This denim jacket.
Oh yeah, we
Yes,
got
we
two.
both got denim jackets.
So that we can switch whenever we want.
Yes, and that one's a darker shade and this one's a lighter one, and both have the same pattern, the tone thing.
Yeah, at the back also.
Yes. We got these for 400 each.
Okay.
More tops. A lot of tops. So there's this white one. I have this one with a simple neck, a high neck, while she took the same one in a collar neck. We got these for 150 each again.
Really like the 150 thing.
And yes, this again.
T-shirts.
That's a plain t-shirt, a very comfy one. I regretted not buying a similar one later, but okay, we'll go again next time for that.
On a scooty again.
Adventure. And then again this top. This is very cute. It has
Yeah.
a puffed sleeve. I did not have something like this, so she made me buy it.
I
150
had
again, and that one was for
150 as well.
Hmm.
Everything's for 150. No, not everything.
yeah.
I got this. Oh, we have been into tie-dyes lately, if you can see that.
A lot of it.
So Riya didn't want me to buy this because we wanted to make one of our own, but then there was this print and
Yeah, and this is very cute. So then
we,
it happened.
150 by the way.
Then I got this top, smoked.
Smoked, yes.
Okay, Saloni is obsessed with smoked. Obsessed. I'm not even kidding. She wanted me to buy one of smoked top, so I got this one. I felt this was really cute, and I might wear this for my birthday.
It's pretty.
Yes, it's very cute and fits really nice. I thought I look fat in it.
No, it
Yes.
actually does the opposite. Oh, I got two similar tops again for 150.
Nah, these were for 100 shad.
Oh, these are for 100?
These were for
Oh,
100.
these are for 100.
We
Now
got
I'm
these
happy.
from the opposite side of National College. So
Yes,
were
these
for
are
100
both
each.
similar, but I really like this thing. Makes
I
me
think
look
she has
bigger.
many of those again.
Yeah, but the
She-
color is pretty.
The patterns that are available on Shein, this girl will have her wardrobe full of those and tops that are similar to each other. So you'll realize as you see ahead. I like both the colors.
Yeah, she chose the color.
More tops. Tops, and tops. Oh, this one.
Smoked.
But this one was really very cute. The color is very pretty.
I have been looking for this one since I saw one in H&M and it did not fit me. So I wanted one and I got one.
Yeah, the one thing that sucks about H&M is that you like something so much and then you end up not finding your size.
It was so big for me. So I got this one. This one was for 200.
And then I also got this top. The material is really soft. Very, very soft. And this one was for 150 again.
Guess who made her buy this?
Yes. I think half of the shit I bought is because of her. She forced me to do it.
Oh,
Because I'm a very choosy person. Oh, I made her buy this one. I made her buy this one
Is
because
this
this was
for-
so cute.
100.
No,
This is 100, no?
no, this was 150.
Oh, I'm confused. But yeah, again, you'll see a pattern going on. More t-shirts.
Oh,
More t-shirts.
Sarah, do you regret not coming? We also asked our friend Sarah to join us, but she didn't. And then she saw this top, and just because of this top, she wished she would have come.
This one is for 100 and this one is for 150.
This has cactus all over it. It's so cute. And that has candy cane. Candy cane.
I would actually recommend you going to Hill Road and Street Pivo 100 rupees
Yeah.
stalls.
Hmm.
They are really good. You'll find something good
You
there.
actually have to search a lot to find something that's, really cute, but you do end up finding really good
Yeah.
stuff from there.
Also got more smoked.
One thing, she'll buy one top in different colors.
Oh, it's pink and blue again.
That was also pink and blue, and this is also pink and blue.
But it's smoked.
But yeah,
I have too many of these. I also have black and white and red.
but I think I like these colors. They
Yeah,
complement your skin.
I don't understand all that. I just buy stuff.
I am telling you, this girl has an issue. She needs to stop shopping.
No, this was also for 100 and it actually had a tag. I washed my clothes unlike some people. She does not wash her clothes.
I mean, after you buy it, I don't wash them. She washes them before wearing it. I never do that, no
Yes.
matter where I get it from.
This had a tag and also I got this from the stall only, the 100 rupees stall on Hill Road. And I like this because of the neckline.
Yeah, but the one thing about those places that you have to actually be careful because sometimes the things you see are really cute, but they might not have a good quality.
Yeah.
While we actually were paying attention to the quality as well.
Plus they had tags. Oh, this was the best thing I got. For 150 I got a,
This is very cute. I could not find
Only
myself
that
one like this.
this I really liked.
This was very good. If she takes things like these, then I'll be okay with her shopping too much. But then she takes similar things. See, now you have a top like this, okay? This is a jacket, but she has a top or a dress. She has something that is similar to this.
I don't know, I just like the whole vibe and some
I might-
people are going to Goa without me, so I'll just sit here.
But
and
I might steal that from you someday.
And as I said, patterns. Got
Repeated.
another top,
उल्टा है वो उसको सीधा.
whatever. This looks weird. When I saw it, I was like, कि ये मुझे बहुत बड़ा होगा, but when I actually wore it, it fits perfect.
Oh.
And it's really pretty.
At first I thought she got something that is off shoulder, but that's not.
No, it
It
fits
looks
like that.
like that, yeah.
And it was also for 150. Or yeah, it was also for 150.
150.
Yeah.
So I have also got this top. I have a dress similar to this. इस material को क्या बोलते हैं? I don't remember.
It's a synthetic material like the one you get from Shein.
Yeah, that, and it is really cute. It has a V neck, and a flary bottom, and I like it a lot. It looks
It's
super
kind
cute.
of peplum.
Yeah.
It's pretty. She got it for 100.
Yeah, I got it only for 100. So there's this one shop on Hill Road.
Yeah.
On Hill Road, yeah, there's this one shop. I always go there, and I have to look through the whole shop to find one piece that I find, but it's really good. I mean, the quality feels too good for the price that I'm paying. 100 rupees for this thing. I have a dress in the same material, and that costed me around 1200.
The shop looks like it is inspired by 2000s and Gossip
Yeah,
Girl.
yeah, actually.
Like I looked at all of the clothes and it was like Gossip Girl. So if you are into all that, you'll love that shop. Oh, we got footwear.
Yes.
I actually don't have any sandals and I was supposed to buy footwear, but
So Saloni also buys things that she finds cute, irrelevant to the fact that she'll wear them or not. But
I
okay,
haven't worn them once. Because they're too pretty, I feel that I'll ruin them. So
I think your brother was wearing them.
yeah, my brother tried to wear them because they're so comfy. And these on Forever are for, I don't know, 900 something, but I got this for 250. So
Good deal. I didn't know that much. Then this pink one.
this, after Riya begging me not to buy another slide, bought another slide.
She was actually looking for more after she bought all of these. There's this one, there's another one. After she saw these, she wanted more.
I love slides.
But you have so many already.
It's just so simple. Just slide your foot into it. This was for 250. Riya bargained for me. And finally, another footwear because I'm out of footwear. But these also, Sara.
Sara. Sara, मेरा नाम भूल गई ये लड़की.
Cut karo. Let's replay. So finally, I got these, which Riya made me buy. And
These were different from your usual ones. And then again, she wanted pink or blue in this, and I made her buy black ones.
well, similar concept, right? You can just slide your foot. Similar concept. And
Please.
also, I was going to buy more stuff which somebody didn't let me buy.
She wanted to buy the whole thing, okay? What is this? How much more do you want? You also got some wine glasses. We forgot that.
Oh,
She also got a
I
set of
got
wine glasses.
wine glasses which I forgot at my home, but we got 6 for 500, and that was the best deal because the quality was good, and I've been wanting those big wine glasses for so long. They were not even small, they were
And she'll
big.
sip cold coffee from that, okay? She'll make coffee and sip from that.
Yeah, but they're pretty,
Half the shit you want is because they're pretty.
and I don't use them. But
Exactly. So guys, that's it for today. This is all we got. We had a lot
this
of...
is all we got. Do you want to buy more? Oh, by the way, by the end of the day, our purses were empty. We were out of cash.
Literally, we're not even kidding. And initially we were about to go through a rick because we aren't very sure about taking trains. We're very paranoid about that and everything's not okay. So you should actually maintain distance from people and be careful about your
Still
hygiene.
went to Bandra.
Yeah, we went to Bandra. But then we went through a two-wheeler because none of us know how to drive a car. So we took my two-wheeler, we went all the way Bandra, and we were stuck in traffic for 4 hours, I guess.
Yes.
And if we add up going and coming back together, it's 4 hours. We had a lot of fun. We were listening to songs on our way
I
back.
know. It was so. And actually, while going, we didn't feel that we are going Itna dur, but while coming back, there was a bag on my shoulder, there was a bag in between that space where you keep your leg. I don't know what it is called, but Riya had a bag there. And there was stuff inside her scooty. There's so much stuff. I don't even know how we managed to fit everything.
But we actually had a lot of fun. And yes, Dr. Bubbles. I've
Oh.
missed Dr. Bubbles for so long. So long.
No, that was the first place we went to. That is like our Bandra tradition.
Yeah, every time we go there, we have to go to Dr. Bubbles or Carter's, but we
Yeah.
could not go there. This time our day went by in shopping itself. And even then we felt like we missed some places.
Yes, we actually did, but
We did not go to the underground patch, na. We get really good sweaters and sweatshirts. Okay, now I realize why we don't go there.
here's the thing. She's obsessed with sweaters. She just bought a few, and there's some secrets you might not know.
You were not supposed to say that here.
Cut it.
Okay. Okay, guys, so that's it for today's video.
And
Bye. Like, share, comment if you like, and subscribe to my channel. And linking load. यही होता है.
Sara! 1, 2, 3.